everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic Scrum, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get. So Scrum is a flexible way of organizing a workflow with tasks. A large project is divided into smaller tasks carried out gradually. So you can click on the task and project option, and after clicking on the task and project option, you can visit the Scrum page. So I will tell you how to create the Scrum in your Bitrix24. You just need to click on the Scrum. Here you have to mention the Scrum team name. Here you have to add the description. Here you can select the visual theme, the Scrum team icons. You also have the extended parameters where you can select the project date, the sprint length, and created by. Here you can add the tag. Here you can add the features. You just need to click on the next option. After clicking on the next option, you visit the page privacy where you can select the public, private or the hidden part. After clicking on the public, here the project owner, the Scrum Master, the development team, the stakeholders are mentioned. You can assign the Scrum Master, you can add the employees over here. Just you need to click on the next option. Okay. After clicking on the next option, the Scrum is created, and here are two options, the backlog and the sprint. The backlog, all planned task idea feedbacks are gathered in a special list. It is called a backlog. It helps the team not to miss something important. Sprints, the tasks are set of a short period of time, usually 2 weeks. These cycles are called sprint. You will get a certain result by the end of the sprint. If a task is not completed during a sprint, it can be divided into smaller subtasks. This format allows you to get a small but predictable result in a certain time period. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.